for me, it was a play on my name and what I do. So it's not just Archeo Guy, it's Archeo Gee.
I was one of those perhaps rare people who wanted to be an archaeologist when I was little and then somehow made it happen. I had organized a conference session that he participated in.
I gave my paper, and that was about it. But we communicated over the next couple of months online and that sort of thing. We met up again at another conference and decided there was more to that.
We're like, oh, look at that coincidence.